Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges from cutting-edge precision to raw strength. This is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Whoa, did you see that? That truck was packed to the brim with logs. It was so close to tipping over. It's insane that it didn't crash. Talk about serious driving skills and a whole lot of luck. Holy cow, I've never seen anything like this. These guys are absolutely fearless. Okay, lesson learned. Never mess with trees unless you know what you're doing. These things fight back. Safety first, people. Well, looks like the tree just taught Grandpa another valuable lesson. Did you see that truck? 11 tons. And it's climbing that icy hill with just a net on the right wheel. Unbelievable. Talk about traction control. That's some serious off-road action right there. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creativity. Wow, that was way too close. This just proves how incredibly crucial good teamwork is. Well, he needs to decide. Tree caretaker or Tarzan? If anyone ever tells you cutting down a tree is easy, just show them this video. Yeah, there's no way I'm hiring these guys to cut my trees. Removing a decaying tree may seem extreme, but it actually kickstarts the fascinating process of ecological succession. This fallen giant creates the perfect opportunity for new life to take root. Always look up even after the tree is down, and never forget your hard hat. Oh man, I can't decide if these guys are brave or just reckless. At first, it looks like just an ordinary tree cutting, but something terrifying is about to happen. Keep watching to see what unfolds. Oh yeah, wow. Luckily, the man managed to get out of the way in time. Well, it was definitely a rough day for that lumberjack. Imagine this, freezing temperatures, snow everywhere, and he's got a massive oak tree to take down with just his chainsaw. But hey, that's the job, right? Just from looking at it, you can tell this is a seriously dangerous situation. What do you think is about to happen? Oh my God, what a close call. Trees aren't the only things that can cause unexpected issues sometimes. Equipment can be a hazard too. Yes, sir. Well, looks like this guy's luck has been working overtime. Oh my, looks like we've got ourselves a crash course expert here. Sometimes, the best stories don't need words. This video, you know, with that calming background and the way these guys are working, It speaks for itself. It's all about dedication and how amazing it is to just master something and do it really well. These machines are incredible. You have to see this. The John Deere 1470D and H480 harvester head in action. They work like a well-oiled machine, perfectly synchronized to clear out those thick German forests. The speed and efficiency are just mind-blowing. If you love industrial tech or forestry, you've got to check this out. No way, that domino tree fall is absolutely wild. The accuracy is unbelievable, and the scale just epic. I can't stop watching this. Look at those trees going down like dominoes. Get ready for the ultimate showdown. It's man versus nature in this battle. On one side, the Bandit 1 XP, powered by a Cummins 175 horsepower engine. And on the other side, the Gray Giant, a eucalyptus microcarpa, famous for its rock-hard wood. Can this high-tech machine take down one of the toughest trees on the planet? Want to take your logging game to the next level? Check out the Ponce Scorpion, the king of forestry machines. This beast isn't just tough, it's got brains. Imagine tackling any terrain, gliding effortlessly above the trees. Yeah, it'll cost you $318,000, but think about the efficiency, the comfort, and the pure thrill of running this machine. Oh man, this is the dream. The sound of that chainsaw, the smell of fresh cut wood, this breathtaking view and crisp fresh air. This guy and his Zenoa are giving us a true spectacle. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy, everyone. Look at that gas 66 tearing through. That hill is slick as ice, but that truck's cruising like it's a walk in the park. I bet the driver is having the time of his life. I'd be way too scared to try that myself, but man, it's epic to watch. Need a grinder that can tackle the toughest jobs? Take a look at the Bandit Beast 4680. This powerhouse features a 60-inch cutter mill and high-performance engine options, making it ideal for large-scale projects. The wireless remote keeps you safe and in control, makes material handling effortless. If you're all about productivity and efficiency. I'm running out of words, man. This guy has danger written all over him. Alright, so we're checking out the Den Harco DM 4450. Observe the flawless teamwork between human and machine. A remarkable display of forestry expertise. The Ursus C330, a prime example of Polish engineering, performs its tasks with incredible efficiency, guided by the precise coordination of the driver and assistant. The scene showcases the timeless partnership between humans and their machines. Whoa, that was a close call. That truck nearly tipped over. This driver's got nerves of steel. Careful steering, reducing speed key to maintaining control and preventing disaster. This excavator is a true marvel of engineering. Its ripper attachment is carefully designed to slice through roots with minimal effort, while its hydraulic system delivers unmatched power, easily uprooting massive stumps. This machine is a testament to modern forestry advancements, boosting both efficiency and precision. No way, these trucks are out of control. They're about to go head to head. This is gonna be legendary. Who are you betting on? Whoa, check out that gnarly beech stuck in the spruce. That's a disaster waiting to happen. With all that rot, it's unpredictable. Who knows how it'll fall? But hey, that's why we've got these pro lumberjacks, right? Let's watch them work their magic. Oh my gosh, that stump doesn't stand a chance. The RT-400 is like a monster unleashed in the woods. It's fierce and powerful, ripping through that stump like it's nothing. That raw power is just insane. I know you guys are just as blown away as I am. This is next level stuff. The Moorbark 11 is a game changer in industrial waste processing efficiency, powered by a rugged Cat C18600 horsepower engine, paired with a PT Tech 318 clutch system. This mid-range grinder delivers the perfect balance of torque and power with its 24-hammer rotor design. Spinning at 2000 RPM, it can process up to 200 cubic yards per hour thanks to its precisely engineered 2-inch screens. Check out this compact yet powerful machine. Designed for handling small to medium trees, makes cutting and skidding logs look effortless. Its movement is incredibly smooth. The newly added timber tail grapple, mounted at the rear, significantly enhances productivity. But let's not forget safety is key. What do you think? The Mini Lunar Oxen is a versatile forestry machine designed for small-scale logging and forest maintenance. It features a fully hydraulic system for smooth operation and easy maneuvering. Engine options include 11 horsepower, 13 horsepower, and 14 horsepower variants. Compact and lightweight, it measures 170 centimeters in length, 115 centimeters in width, and weighs around 500 kilograms. The oxen is commonly used for clearing underbrush. If you're searching for a powerful and efficient feller buncher, the John Deere 859 meters is an excellent choice. Its powerful 9.0-liter engine delivers 330 horsepower, allowing for fast and efficient tree felling. An extended boom reach of 8.49 meters maximizes coverage, while the robust ensures stability in tough terrains. The spacious cab design, with floor-to-ceiling windows and ergonomic controls, enhances operator comfort and visibility, making operations more efficient. The Moorbark 1300B tub grinder is a powerhouse of productivity, built for heavy-duty recycling operations. Its Cat C27 engine delivers a massive 1,050 horsepower, driving a 31-inch by 64-inch hammer mill. It features 24 forged double-edged hammers. An integrated control system provides real-time engine data, monitoring feed rates and pressures to enhance performance and reduce downtime. This beast can shred everything from yard waste to construction debris. Oh my God, that homemade wood splitter is incredible. It seriously boosts wood chopping efficiency. And the best part, no fuel required. But honestly, it looks a little risky. Hopefully, they'll add more safety features in the future. Now this is an epic showcase of logging mastery. This driver is maneuvering through some seriously tough terrain. Their control over the machine is absolutely incredible. Definitely worth watching. If you love heavy machinery or just admire professionals doing their thing, this is for you. In the world of timber transport, efficiency and reliability are top priorities. That's insane. I never imagined an ATV could be this powerful. This just made it onto my wish list. Pretty impressive for an older model, huh? I bet this thing was an absolute beast back in the day. What do you think? Does it give off a futuristic vibe, or is that just me? I've seen plenty of guys get hurt by widowmakers. It's not something to take lightly. This guy, he knows what he's doing. He's not rushing, he's taking his time. And he's always keeping an eye on that rope. He knows that carelessness can be fatal. Respect the tree, respect the danger. That's how you make it home safe at the end of the day. The PTH 1000 SEM Pezzolato drum chipper is a high-performance solution for large-scale wood processing. Powered by a mighty Caterpillar C18 engine, it churns out an incredible 800 horsepower, delivering unmatched efficiency and reliability. With its rugged build and cutting-edge technology, this chipper is designed to handle even the most demanding applications. The Ponce Scorpion King is a true marvel of forestry engineering. Its high-powered engine delivers outstanding performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. The adaptive processing system handles various types of timber with unmatched precision, and the ergonomic cabin is designed for maximum operator comfort and awareness. If you need a reliable workhorse, the Scorpion King is the one. Say goodbye to tiny wood splitters. The Bells for 1000 is here. With its powerful 67 horsepower engine and massive saw blade, it effortlessly splits logs up to 20 inches in diameter in the blink of an eye. Plus, it features a fully enclosed conveyor system. It lifts the split wood right up to you. How cool is that? Got an ugly stump ruining your yard? Don't break your back or your bank. This compact grinder is a total game changer. Rent it for under $100, and that stubborn stump is gone. Check out how effortlessly it works. This is the ultimate stump grinding machine. We're talking serious power, serious efficiency, and serious results. The Vermeer SC30TX is built to dominate. With its massive cutter, wheel and rugged track drive system, this beast can take on anything in its way. Time to say goodbye to those stubborn stumps and hello to a clean, beautiful landscape. This concept has serious potential, but the execution needs improvement. The wood splitting sequence feels inefficient, creating excessive debris and failing to showcase the machine's precision. Additionally, the opening seconds suffer from laggy playback, likely due to the high hydraulic power demand. Optimizing these elements will enhance the machine's overall efficiency. Wow, this is unbelievable. This Japanese lumberjack in Kyoto is taking down a massive tree. Can you believe this thing is over 100 years old? But check this out, after cutting it down, something absolutely wild happened. Well, that's not something you see every day. Where did that hole even come from? This circular saw with a feeder is amazing. It's crazy how technology makes things so much easier, right? Has anyone else ever used something like this? Let me know in the comments. Dude, no helmets, no gloves, nothing. That's just asking for trouble. Someone could get seriously injured. At least throw a blanket over that chain and use a come along and some pulleys. It's not rocket science. This operator's skills are on another level. He's in total sync with that skid steer. It's like every move is flawless. This is what happens when you give a pro the right tools. This guy is a lumberjack superhero. He's like Paul Bunyan with a chainsaw. My grandpa was a lumberjack too, and he would have been amazed. He used to say, "Give a man a good axe, and he can conquer the world." Well, this guy is conquering the forest. Wow, things just got intense. A truck stuck in freezing cold, just great. What else could possibly go wrong? But wait, something tells me this isn't over yet. I've got a really bad feeling about this. Imagine this, freezing temperatures, icy roads, and you're operating heavy machinery on a steep slope. Sounds terrifying, right? That's the reality for loggers in Idaho during winter. But these guys, the skidder operators, they're not just tough, they're insanely skilled. Much respect. Without a doubt, this is one of the most captivating videos I've seen, highlighting human-animal collaboration, working in such challenging conditions. Horses prove to be the best choice. For timber extraction, their strength, agility, and incredible teamwork with humans are on full display. I had the chance to witness the Europe Chippers EC1060 with 400 horsepower in action at a logging site. And let me tell you, it was mind-blowing. It devoured entire trees effortlessly, shaking the ground with its sheer power and unleashing an earth-shaking roar. Watching it transform in no time was absolutely mesmerizing. Holtz Transport knows exactly what they're doing. Their fleet is a testament to modern logging. Powerful trucks, specialized equipment, and skilled operators. It's impressive to watch these machines in action, navigating the tough challenges of the forest. An ATV with a trailer? No way can it really haul that much wood. You know what matters most in forestry? Reliability and efficiency. That's where the Komatsu 901XC stands out with its 8-wheel stability. Powered by the robust C93 head, this machine is built for performance. It's durable, it's comfortable, and it'll help you maximize your logging operation. Wow, imagine dealing with these stubborn stumps. The frustration. But wait, here comes the cavalry. D&D Hatch Excavation to the rescue. Their excavator makes it look effortless. Those stumps didn't stand a chance. It's like every homesteader's dream come true. No more back-breaking labor, just pure stump pulling satisfaction. In construction, efficiency is everything. Time is money, and these powerful chippers make waste disposal effortless. Look at how efficiently that crane positions the timber. Every movement is precise, maximizing productivity under tight deadlines. Wow, flying over the breathtaking Canadian forest in a helicopter is truly an unforgettable sight. These dense, remote woods require something special for transporting logs, and helicopters are the perfect solution. It's incredible to see them in action, preserving the landscape while getting the job done. While the MAN TGA 26.4806x6 is undeniably powerful, the lack of off-road tires definitely impacted its performance. That missing feature likely made navigating the rough terrain even harder. What do you think? Was this a critical mistake? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This cutting-edge machine to efficiently remove the outer layer of logs without damaging the valuable core. It's highly versatile, functioning both in forests and factories. It can be powered either by electricity or a tractor. With a width of 2,300 millimeters, it processes logs ranging from 200 millimeters to 550 millimeters in diameter and up to 6 meters long, handling an impressive 15 cubic meters per hour. This machine peels logs like a banana. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.